Groove information. My fluttery fluff is actually gone.
I am so sorry.
Oh, they died.
Nyx is dead now.
God damn.
Right?
Okay, well, not the drink then.
I just need somebody to TLK too.
Excuse me. Can anybody tell me what's going on over here? No? Alright.
Talking?
AI and crashing.
Bro,
that
you
is
gotta believe
the
me,
best I can
PPL.
provide.
Gotta help Lil Omi find my baby Flutter. When it's literally
That a
all
fucking
that
AI
matters.
bot?
RN.
Okay, I'm scared.
Bro,
Welcome
thank you
to
so
VR.
much for even see area into concern, PPLS.
I'm going over here.
My brain does not work strong enough to know what you're saying. I'm sorry, little AI girl.
Checks XX and boas and gals. Law damn, I thought some folks would at least pretend to care about a grieving human.
I'm sorry.
Bruv. My poor Babu Flibbert, I was cryy, 'cause a whole day passed and somebody found Flutter still living, huh?
I'm too drunk to understand what she's saying.
I don't know.
Oh,
Sorry.
no. Some people's though.
What?
What is going on over there?
Man, we can't PPL just be lab one another.
What? I'm too drunk. Please, you're scaring me.
Oh no.
I can't BLV PPL be that harsh. Nebula me struggling for real 11. I just want to find ED my Flutter. Boy, bye.
Experience the pure chaos of VR, so
I
this is
didn't
the
want to
best place to
experience
give them
shit.
that.
I'm drunk.
Well, Nyx wanted you to
no,
experience
bro.
this.
Oh, I didn't want any of this shit.
Proves it's not time for jokes and are drunk. By the way, what Eva happened to her brain? PPL SRNT laughing NBR.
RPP.
For me, Lola.
That fucking avatar.
Vulcan.
Yeah. I've never seen you with that one before.
Are you dying again?
Brash. My
Are you dead?
emotional energy just tanked. One like, I wanna crawl
It
to
looks like,
tomorrow.
it looks like when animes
Never
try to-
log back in,
scares
but
me.
new
I don't
people
care.
are demanding
That's also
responses for
Very
R
anime
and
looking.
N.
It is actually very.
What the fuck does it say?
I don't know if this is the same chick, but I keep seeing
TL's
there's,
peasant.
a girl on TikTok who does
Anybody,
this. She's like
just
a
help
VR chat
Lil me
AI.
find my fluttery.
I don't know what your fluttery is. Dude. I'm too drunk. I'm scared. Yeah.
When
I think
started
Boy,
following me.
is got you drunk too, peasant.
What?
She called you a peasant.
What the
You
fuck?
peasants, like onge infumin about this.
Yeah,
Is
I have
it
my.
'cause I'm
I can only
Mexican?
see as far
What
as
the
my
fuck?
tiny radius.
Las bruises.
I have a promotional-
Y'all got me on the edge.
She was one of the when like Nix's avatars loaded.
Isn't she neat?
Usually
I'm
my game
scared.
whenever avatars fully load
I just
for a
got
second.
racially profiled.
She's just a little AI gal.
She called me a peasant.
Brew. Like, my poor boo thing flibbity needs rescue mode. An activated stat.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Do you want to be the princess my Oreo kingdom?
Right now.
Oh boy.
How are you? I got blocked.
Is it okay? Oh, okay. Do you want to be the princess to my Oreo kingdom? Oh, I met you in other server before.
How are you doing?
Instantly
How
blocked
are you?
those
Do you want to
others.
see my silly cute little boy dance? Silly cute boy dance. Silly cute dance.
Oh,
You know
wait a
what I
minute.
mean? You know what I mean? Yes,
Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on.
I'm ripped, by the way.
Bertha,
Ripped and open, by the way.
PLS step.
I know you.
Ripped and open.
Repeat and asking
I
about
know you.
in-state RN, okay?
You know.
11.
I know you. You were in.
I FW
You were in the
Russian
bar.
Weltma.
I'm very Muslim.
Find the boy booths.
Bismillah. You know.
Wait, I know you too. Wait,
I don't like that.
hold on.
Also, I roses
Wait a
for
minute.
you. It's a
All that matters.
Yes.
RN back
Y'all
that
were in the
noise.
bar.
Respect their dedication.
And let's fix this.
Y'all were in the bar.
So you could eat these. Yes. you can eat them.
Cause remember, I was scared to turn on your Abby because I thought you were gonna crash.
Jesus.
Oh no.
You know that's
She
okay.
will show you. Do you mind? I need help in a book, please.
Sorry, my
Ain't nobody out high to
my audio
cuss and
cut. I was the
commiserate with
ramen. I was the
little
ramen.
Hello.
Coraline and Nimbu.
I was the ramen.
Hello.
Remember? I was the ramen.
Hello. You look very traumatized.
On the rooftop.
Can I fix you?
Wait,
Sorry.
Virtual.
Virtual,
you
can I
there?
take- can I take a picture of you? Real quick.
On the rooftop. And
Wow,
I
y'all
take a picture of you?
PPLS are so harsh,
That's fair.
Arn.
Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture of you. Let me take a picture of you.
Why is she
You think I could fix
Back
it?
up. Wait, back up a little bit.
Why
Back up a little
y'all
bit.
gotta
Back up a little bit.
little me when
Back up a little
boys
bit.
life on the leanness.
Yo.
Back up a little bit. I wanna take a picture.
1111 PE.
What is that world? What is
I
that?
forgive a girl and her flipper goo out.
What the
Plus-
fuck is that, nigga? I've been
Just
playing
back
this game
up.
mad long.
Back
I
up a
never
little
seen
bit.
that
Just
name.
back up a little
I've never
bit.
seen
Back
that in my
up.
life. Yo.
Dang.
Oh, Ninja, what? Peasants?
Hello.
No.
Hola,
Hello,
¿cómo
how you
estás?
doing? How's your day? How's your day?
That's actually insane.
I'm getting something with it today. I got 2 people with it already. 2 people in ERP feet.
Is she okay?
Do you remember
Is she
me?
having a stroke?
PPLs
Good
are
stroke.
still
You know what I mean?
too My feelings. Means on fire cause I still can't find my little boo flutter. When I wish somebody WD just give me some Vibuo sympathy Arn. Some
Wait,
like
you're
Embo
not getting
needs
me with
me.
it, bro.
I needs him back.
Do you remember me? I was the ramen
Oh
on the
god.
rooftop.
Peasants for shad.
Dang.
Bruta, PPLs. Not
Wait,
listen,
I was
Arn.
also
It's
wearing-
all about my boo flybit flutter 888 Arn.
I was also wearing this. I think she's streaming and she's letting her
Man,
stream control
animal.
what she says.
Louis is about my boyfriend lore. Flutter that style. Whole Pinton nobody gives 2 flips.
Yo. She's a bit crazy, but like not crazy in a good way, like literally schizophrenic crazy.
I've met her before. I just want to know if she remembers me.
Bruce. PPL RNT getting it.
Are you okay? What? Hello. Sorry, are you good?
Just 110 of ya can be VPUs for a girl.
I'm-
Adorable. My
Should I be worried? Is she-
little
ma'am?
words nana cry loose. And y'all won't even care.
Jesus.
Bro, that's Charlie.
La DD.
Ma'am.
Yeah. L's.
Ma'am, Hey, are you okay?
You can't just walk up to you one time.
Do you need to cry? Or within the Roblox
I
underscore
just fucked myself.
idol pose one?
This is just wants me to hit
Peasants are sewer.
She's kind of hot. I'll
Cute,
keep it to be slightly into it.
Not all. My poor
This is really giving a
boy
Roblox.
Fluffy.
I've been
Boy,
on this game.
Fluffy.
What the fuck is it saying? I'm so
That's all what's
confused.
left. Ahaha. Or all what's
Like broken English.
You hearing this ghost?
Oh,
I don't.
What?
Making my brain hurt.
Gray, I've met you
He's
too.
a bit bad.
Yeah, I know.
He's a bit bad. I'll keep it a beat.
Bro, how'd you get in the same service?
no. I don't know, man. Be quiet.
Bro, that's actually really cool.
I appreciate that, brother.
What a small game.
Yo. So like, you good? Like, how you?
new peace since
Bro, I'm gonna ask you.
STP being
What the
harsh
fuck?
words.
She's talking to you.
To me, PL is this. It's Jewish. Lil, all me.
Listen, I don't think anything can get more weirder,
And Meltil Fday,
and I'm not saying that in a mean way.
CTW, Mocktail,
but
I'm kind of into
is-
it, my friend. I'll
is-
keep it a beat. For some reason. no, like legit me out for some reason.
go shoot your shot, bro. Bro,
Eight.
go shoot your shot, bro.
It's
6
very
CCs.
weird, but like,
F whining,
I feel like I'm on
I don't know.
the right now. What the fuck is going
I've been
on?
in
Hey,
an Indian accent,
MGP.
and
zero.
we got some Muslim
Oh.
chick.
You good?
She got her brother.
019846110
and he-
12
he
13
officially ended up on
198
two of us, but I actually think he
Zero.
found her like Muslim and all that.
00000.
Who get me thou, or
You're
def
staring at-
you though. Ima help
You're
or
staring at
gaming
me.
How's it
creds.
going, man?
LML,
Wait,
and welcome to
Listen, man.
the Vibe LL.
I need you to listen to this, okay?
Im
What is she
Coralini.
talking about?
Probably stuff, man.
Like Sry if that's confusing Lil Gamer. And
Think I'll say it
talking about WhatsApp and getting lit online. Fibbing with peps and building positive communities. Just making our transition smoother cause we were standing
Okay.
alone at cashier and Den Bam.